Hello all, my name is Pawan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to use custom view in MS Excel. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all the updates related to my YouTube channel. So let's get into this. So this is the MS Excel file which we are going to perform now, how to use custom view in MS Excel. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, let's understand what is custom view. Okay, so custom view means like whenever we have an Excel file and we want to present our Excel file to different clients. Okay, for some clients we want to hide some particular data, and for some other clients we want to hide some other particular columns or the data. Okay, let's take an example. Here we can see different columns like first name, last name, company name, address, city, country, postal, phone, email and all. Okay, let's imagine for client 1 we want to show only first name and last name, and we want to hide some columns and we want to present it to client 1. Okay, so for client 1 we are presenting only this much of data and we are hiding all other columns. Okay, so sometimes we may forget, like when we have too many clients we may forget like which are the columns to be hidden for the particular client 1 and which are the columns to be hidden for client number 2 and which are the columns to be presented for client number 3. So in order to overcome that, we use custom function or custom view. So let's see with some example like how to use custom view. Okay, let's imagine right now we are working for client number 1. For client number 1 we want to present the columns till city. So that means like for client number 1 we want to present the data only till row number 5. That means till city. Okay, and we want to hide all other columns, and we'll hide all other columns. Okay, so this is the data which we want to show it to our client number 1. So for this what we have to do, we have to go to view, click on custom views, add client number 1 and press OK. So this is the data which you want to present to client number 1. So let's unhide this. Let's see, now we want to work on client number 2. For client number 2 we want to hide first 3 columns and we want to present all the rest of the data to client number 2. So for this again we have to go to custom views, add client number 2, then press OK. Let's imagine now we want to work for client number 3, and for client number 3 we have to hide only, let's imagine like we have to hide only this particular column which is containing email. Let's hide this and let's now put all this data to client number 3. For client number 3, for client number 3 we have to present only these data to present them. Sorry, client number 3. Okay, let's unhide them. Okay, now let's come for client number 4. For client number 4, let's imagine like we have to present all the columns except the company name. Let's hide it and put it under client number 4. Okay, so now let's unhide this. So now we have come up with 4 different clients. client number 1, client number 2, client number 3, and client number 4. And now if we want to show the data to a particular client, go to custom views. So right, let's assume like now we are giving presentation to client number 3. Click on client number 3 and show. So now you can see all the columns which you want to present to client number 4. Let's imagine now we are working for client number 1, and now we want to present the data to client number 1. So click on client number 1 and click on show. So now you can see all the data whichever you wanted to present to client number 4. Now let's imagine like now you are working for client number 2 and you want to present all the data to client number 2. So click on client number 2 and click on show. So here you can see all the data which you want to present to client number 2. So this will overcome the confusion, like it also avoids every time hiding and unhiding, and it also allows us to overcome the confusion, like for which client we have to hide the particular columns or particular data, so that it will be very easy to work for the particular clients. Okay, so this is all about the custom view. Like we have seen how to add the custom view and how to show the custom view, and now let's see how to delete for the particular client. Let's see like how to delete all the data related to client number 4. Click on that particular client and click on delete. So now you can see only these 3 clients, and now suppose if you want to delete for client number 2, and you can click on that client number 2 and so similarly you can delete for rest of the other 2 clients. So this is all about custom view. Like we have seen how to create the custom view, how to add the custom view, and how to show the custom view, and how to delete the custom view. Okay, so that's all about this particular video. Hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.